ringneck fella.
Go for a start recording. Get him up, get him up, get him up. Yes, that was a big rap. Get him up, honey. There we go. Come on, honey.
Don't everybody come in here. I got the camera rolling this morning. So they got up their first rabbit. We've been in here about 2 minutes and they already got one up and going. So I'm holding the camera this morning on this post. Nine times out of 10, he gonna cross that road. Well, that was a quick jump on Danny. I'm gonna watch Mr. Thompson put this rabbit down. I'm right behind you, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I want to see what they look like.
Alfalfa's hard to work through that.
Yeah, that alfalfa? Is that what it is? And the rabbits love that alfalfa grass, man.
See that stuff right there?
That's alfalfa, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, no wonder they got so many rabbits down here. They love that alfalfa
We
grass.
bail that for hay. Back down the road, but we let get that ball. We let get about like this.
Huh. So it done growed out there. Yeah. Yeah, they probably let it grow for the right. There's some nice cover right here.
Yeah,
See what's going on. We sure got enough dogs in there. We'll mosey around over here. Don't take. Got brother Kevin, KJ. You coming back, bro? I'm gonna watch Kevin lay this rabbit out. I got a feeling he gonna come right up through here. Probably done got past us already. They ain't pushing too hard, that's for sure. there. That's a different jump. That's your little female. She the only one that you got out here with that voice. Might be the same one. So far, so good.
And like what I'm
Get a feel, you know, of the hunting area and everything, you know, just to see, you know, where you at and how it laid out, man. You know, everything look different, you know, when you're riding around in the truck, but when you get on the ground, that's a different story.
down towards Danny, man.
Well, John Slapper's on the road.
He's on the road?
Yeah.
Okay. Danny probably went in.
You know, Danny right to your right over there, about 50 meters. He ain't went in yet. He waiting for him to come back.
Nice big rabbit too up there.
Is it?
Yeah, he's a nice size.
That's what we want to see.
He's a nice size.
That's what we want to see.
Oh, they're on some rabbits.
It's possible. That's what I want them to do. If that's many rabbits as they said in here, they should be running doubles. Yeah, they're running double. Hey, yeah, they're running two rabbits.
Make sure you're on channel 2. You should, because I was listening.
Radio check.
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Okay.
I got you loud and clear.
Is that car stop out there?
Yeah, stop, talk to John.
Ah, okay. Now they're running double, man. They're running split.
Read you loud and clear. Running double, John. Off and running double.
You gonna put him down, KJ?
Put him down.
All right, bro.
We're gonna be fried, died, and laid to the side.
I got the camera running on you, bro. I'm gonna watch you take him out if he come your way.
Well, you know I will.
Oh, see, that's alfalfa grass, and rabbit love to eat that alfalfa grass. I bet you they got a bunch of rabbits in there, man.
I have a good
You gotta get a good shooting lane, though, bro.
I was like, let me get out that sun in my eyes.
Oh, okay.
That's why I moved up a little bit into the
Yeah.
shade.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, some rabbits are running underneath this alfalfa. You ain't gonna see shit.
Did you just,
I just told him, man. Yeah, they're pretty big rabbit though, bro. They're pretty big rabbits. They're running 2 or 3 rabbits already. Yeah, you're gonna have to push them hard. eat my sandwich, man.
Oh, I left mine in the car.
Yeah. We'll be there when you get back. Hmm?
As long as I got that water, I'm
We got plenty of water, bro.
all over the place.
Man, they got a lot of rabbits in there, bro.
Right.
Mm.
Try to go in here and walk them down myself.
Mm. It wasn't so thick.
No, it's thick. That's why I was like trying to stay back here because you got kind of better clearance
Mm-hmm.
when they run out of that kind of south grass.
Let them work them for a few minutes, bro. KJ, you need to back up.
Yes, I'm back.
This your shooting lane.
We can get that clear.
This your shooting lane right here.
Yeah, these are nice lanes for it.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna let them work them for a few minutes, then we'll pull them up, bro, and go to another area.
You know it's rabbit in here.
Yeah, we know. We see what we wanted to see in this one already. Yeah, they're working them.
Got to see the remix on that little Fetty Wap one. Rabbit, won't you come my way?
There you go, bro. And they push him hard enough, he'll come out of there.
Yeah, I was yesterday running that rabbit hard. That rabbit would have been 10 times dead over.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We down in Hillsdale, Kansas. First time we ever hunted down here. We checking out some areas to see, you know, if they're gonna be suitable for us to hunt this, you know, when the fellas get here from Carolina. So far, so good. Got Kevin and Danny over there waiting for a kill. It's been cold. It's dropped to 30 degrees last night. It's cold right now, a little chilly right now. My hand's cold and stuff, but you know, just right for running and gunning and hunting. So we're gonna pick up here in a minute and go to another spot. We done seen what we need to see here. Even if we don't get to shoot, we testing the waters. And so far the dogs is doing great. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord, for blessing us this morning with this great gift of being able to come here once again, 2021, and hunt. Yes, sir. Huh? Yeah, you know, on a normal hunt, bro, we would go in there and get them. But, you know, I want them to get a good...
You need to get a good run, get
good warming up.
warming up.
Yeah, and get them a good warming up, then we'll pull them out of there. Man, I'm trying to tell you. That's like walking in a bowl of spaghetti there. Put them in the box as they get up there. Boy, let me tell you. Woo! Man! Woo! God, God Almighty! Get over here! Get over here! There you go! Get over here, Creole! Come on, Apollo! Creole! Come on, Zach! Come on, Zach! Come on, Zach! Grab Zach.
Come here, Zach.
Put that black bastard in there. Come on, Buckshot. Come on, Boogie. Boogie. Get over here.
You got a foot. You got a foot. Come here, boy.
Buckshot.
Right here.
Come on, boy.
Oh, you're shying.
Better run.
Come here,
You ain't gonna catch him.
Do it again.
See?
There we go. Rolling, 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 rolling.
Ooh, man. Oh. Are you getting? Huh? Put dogs on him, bro. Did you get him, Daddy? Oh. They running a different rabbit in here, bro. That's a different rabbit. Was that a small one? I'm talking about the one KJ shot at. All right, call him out there, Kevin. Put him on him. Huh? Oh my Lord! Oh my goodness! I gotta get that, bro. Now that's a nice looking rabbit there, Danny. Yeah. Well, how would you know? Wow. Ain't that something? Wow.
You got a dog feeling.
Wow.
Put him in my bag. Ain't worth eating.
Woo, man. No, no way. No. John Slappy just shot at him. I don't know if he got him or not.
Talk to me. Did you get it? Did you get it?
I think John missed him. That's a long shot, y'all. Yeah. Did he give you a good aim? Did he give you a good silhouette? Yeah, that's what it sounds like, bro. You better go down there and look. Let's check it out. See, you know how they are. But them dogs done stop. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. He's still moving. He coming back y'all way, that KJ. Somebody gonna crank on him. There we go. There we go. Kevin got him. know that's a dead one. Oh, man. This stuff here will kill your knees, boy. Like he's still running. What he sound, huh?
Get him. Hold on. I think we got it. If I hit him, he's under this brush somewhere.
Sound like you hit that rabbit, man.
Yeah, I think he did. That rabbit hit me. Looked pretty big. Looked like a little dancing rabbit.
Watch it, I'm here, KJ.
What'd you say?
I say I'm right here. You get him?
No, I don't think I got him.
You coming back your way, John Slappy?
Small.
Huh?
He was a little small one.
Oh, was he? I ain't the same rabbit.
My dad, I ain't have my daggone weapon on fire.
That can't be the same rabbit, man. Cause John Slappy said that was a big rabbit.
Yeah, they run the motor boys, I think.
This is the side.
Say again? John said that was a big rabbit, bro.
Yeah, so they on the motor one, cause that one that ran past me was small.
Well, Kevin known for shooting rabbit and not looking for them, bro. I'm telling you right now, he do that all the time. And 9 times out of 10, the rabbit be dead. Did you shoot the first time or was it Kevin?
The little one ran right past me. I shot at the backside going past me. But I think he ran like right over there by you, where you were.
You sure you ain't hit?
If I hit him, he'd be right up in this brush pile right here.
Cause dog stop.
They would have ran right past me, but they was chasing me.
Yeah. They ain't ran very far though.
No, sir, I ain't get him.
You ain't hit him, huh?
He ain't in this little brush over here. That's right, he run past me again. I'm ready for him.
I hear that.
He really did a whole circle because he went through here and then daddy shot at him over here, and then he ran past, so he did a whole circle.
Huh. Well, that wasn't the same rabbit that John shot at, though.
That's what I'm saying. It wasn't the same one.
But John said that rabbit was big, man. Looked like a swamper.
They definitely on two different, because the one I saw was like this big. He's
Ooh,
small one,
he's small.
little baby.
That's a jump. That's a jump.
Oh, they got the rabbit.
See, I told him to hit that rabbit.
Yep.
What I tell him, Danny? There you go, Danny. There you go. There you go back here. One just crossed the road on you, Danny. God damn. That's a big one, Danny.
Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch up in here. That's what that is.
I told him he hit that rabbit. Man. GPS right now, bro.
We got a long way to go in here.
I know.
Let's shoot about 10 rabbits before we get down to the end.
I hear that. Y'all gotta shoot better than y'all shooting to get 10 rabbits.
Leave that sour taste in your mouth, don't it?
I knew that. I was just messing with you. Yeah, we on strip number 2. They jumped the rabbit as soon as they got on this side. So we working this strip just trying to get a feel of what they got out here. So so far so good. I just put this point in my... Huh? You see? Well, why you shot? Kevin missed him. I told you.
The rabbit saw me and turned back in.
Yeah, well, I don't blame him, bro. If I'd have seen your face, I'd have turned back in too.
That's two different rabbits. That's
Ah. Yeah, that's better than Kevin. Kevin missed him.
didn't see him. I'm catching holler there. He's coming your way, Daddy. So where? Finally, he says right there. That rabbit already bought it.
Well, why'd you shoot then? If you didn't see him, you shouldn't have shot.
At the back end of it.
Oh, John, he's serious. John, he gonna bring that rabbit down. Yeah, he tiptoeing on that rabbit. Okay, that's Kevin. Hopefully he got that one.
He got him that time.
Yeah. About time. Kevin got the rabbit. Man, it feel good out here, huh? Yes, indeed. Get the way I like it, bro. Pick him up and come on up this way, Kevin.
Right. Now we know that there's rabbits in here. How far you want to push in before we pick up and find another location?
Let's go ahead and back out, Danny.
Come on.
Yeah, we can go ahead and pick him up now. He what?
You got both of them.
Both of them?
You did hit that first one.
See what I told you, man? What I told you. Every time. I don't know how many rabbits that boy done left in the field. Yeah, you're right. Let it go, bro. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Here you go, here you go, here you go. Here you go, here you go, here you go. Good job, good job, good job, good job, Zach. Good job, Zach. Good job, Zach. Good job, Zach. Come here, Zach. Come here, Zach. Come here, Zach. Come on, bro. Pull him up.
Whoop! There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go.
No wonder you didn't know you hit that thing. It's so small you can barely see it. Come on out of there. Let's get him on the truck, bro.
Yeah. Where else we gonna hit now?
We're gonna check out some more areas, bro.
Alright.
Try to get him on the truck, so.
Whoop! 3, 5. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Get over here, Creole.
Come on, Creole. Come on, Creole.
Go, Creel! Get over here, Creel!
And that's your pup back there, that little black one. No, she on the road here. That's Buckshot, I think. Come here! Come here! Get over here! That's Buckshot. No, it ain't Buckshot.
Not Buckshot?
Buckshot right there. I got all mine, bro.
That's Bella.
That's Bella.
That's Bella.
Come here! Come here!
Bella.
KJ, go to the road, man. Let us know when ain't no traffic coming, bro. Hold up. Come on over here.
Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Go, Bella.
Don't come here, Uber. I don't want to get close to that road, man.
What I'm down there.
I want my dog down there. Hurry up, bro. Let me know when they coming. That's why I told him. No wonder he ain't seen that something gun. He probably would have walked on him. That's a little bitty something gun there. That's the other one's nice though. She already out, Kevin, isn't she? She right there, Bella right there.
Go ahead and go across real quick. Call him across.
Take him to the truck, bro. Take him to the truck. Let that young buck work them dogs.
Yep. Good energy.
Yeah, we got them all, bro. We got them all.
Yeah, see him out there.
She was already out. Get over here! Get over here, Boogie! Come on, Uber. Take him on, take him on, take him on.
Let's get some water right there.
Oh, they got enough right here, bro.
Nobody right here.
They good.
So be on camera. I'm gonna be fighting.
Hey, you already famous, brother. You already famous. Famous Amos.
It's just wonderful to be out here again.
Man, I was just telling Kevin them that how blessed we are to be back out here again.
Yeah.
You
There's
know?
a lot of people that make it back to this time of year.
Man, I'm trying to tell you, man. Now, if they got rabbits on this, Danny, this gonna be premier.
Yeah.
Cause it's long and it's wide on both sides, bro. You know what I'm
We got a
saying?
tree line to go in.
We got a tree line.
Got water on the
Look how deep, look how long it is. They got rabbits over here, we set.
Yeah.
I hope so. Yeah, man, a lot of people, you know, and you get to do your little things and, that you had to do. And everybody want the rabbit to come to the road. Cause you know if we was really after them, both of us would be. I know you just can't wait to shoot that gun.
I ain't gonna shoot that bird, though. But yeah, I ain't never shot it yet. I want to see what it feels like.
It's pretty, man.
Man, had they had two of them, I'll let you know. But they only had one, man. That's a Savage. Good brand name.
You got that at the PX, huh?
At the PX. I had to wait there, man, about 45 minutes while they ran my background check. And I'm like, why is it taking so daggone long?